Emotional burnout can feel like an invisible weight, draining your energy and dimming your spirit. It's more than just stress, it's a profound state of physical and emotional exhaustion. If you're feeling overwhelmed, know that you are not alone, and there are steps you can take to reclaim your well-being. Here are some actionable tips to help you navigate and overcome emotional burnout. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. Acknowledge your feelings. The first step is to recognize and validate what you're experiencing. Allow yourself to feel the exhaustion, frustration, or sadness without judgment. This acceptance is crucial for moving forward. Set clear boundaries. Learn to say no to additional commitments that drain your energy. Protect your personal time and space fiercely. Establishing boundaries is vital for preserving your mental and emotional reserves. Prioritize self-care non-negotiables. Make sleep, nutritious food, and regular movement essential parts of your day. These aren't luxuries, they are fundamental requirements for your physical and mental health. Consistency in these areas builds resilience. Delegate and ask for help. You don't have to carry every burden alone. Identify tasks you can delegate at work or home. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or colleagues for support when you need it most. Reconnect with your purpose. Reflect on what truly motivates you and brings you joy. Realigning with your core values can reignite your passion and provide a sense of direction. This helps combat feelings of apathy. Practice mindful breaks. Integrate short moments of mindfulness throughout your day. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing or quiet reflection can interrupt the stress cycle. These small pauses accumulate into significant relief. Seek professional support. If burnout feels persistent and overwhelming, consider talking to a therapist or counselor. A mental health professional can offer personalized strategies and guidance. There is strength in seeking help. Healing from emotional burnout takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Be kind to yourself through this process. Each small step you take towards your well-being is a victory. You deserve to feel vibrant and engaged with your life again.